Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding where the home screen ad originates. This matters because treatment depends on the source. First, review apps installed or updated in the past week and note any unfamiliar names. Next, long press the ad or widget to see its app link or settings. That reveals the package. If uncertain, boot into safe mode or run a lightweight ad detector to isolate non-system apps. Once done, you'll have a short list of candidates to remove or reconfigure. You now act on the identified app. Uninstall if it's non-essential or malicious, because removal stops ads at the root. If uninstall isn't possible, open app settings and revoke overlay, notification, accessibility, and device admin permissions. Those are common ways ads show on home screens. Clear the app's cache and data to remove stored ad configuration, then reboot the device to ensure changes take effect. Make sure to repeat permission checks for similar apps and keep only trusted apps with necessary privileges. To finish, harden your device to prevent recurrence. Install a reputable ad block or mobile security app and enable real-time protections and permission monitoring. Reset your launcher or home screen settings if residual settings keep showing ads, and only consider a factory reset after backing up data. If ads persist, reproduce them in safe mode and capture the ad text or image. That detail helps identify the responsible package. One key troubleshooting tip: safe mode isolates third-party apps. If ads stop there, a third-party app is the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.